People, this is a job for Bible Dude!
He can soar through the air like the Red Sea. Arches look out. Here comes that Bible Dude.
3,000 men of Judah went to the rock of Shechem and said to Samson, Knowest thou not that the Philistines are rulers over us? And he found the jawbone of an ass and put forth his hand and took it. Amen.
It's the boss.
Good morning, Jesus. What's the haps?
What's up, Matthew? Here's the dealio. There's a couple of kids playing video games right now without parental guidance.
No parental guidance? Well, that's almost as bad as sticking a camera phone under a bathroom stall and taking a picture of a sailor on the toilet.
What the hell are you thinking about that?
Oh, no, it's just that I know this guy who read about it in a magazine that is a straight magazine, and I'm on it, boss.
I feel so free. Oh, life is for living.
No, it's not.
Bible Dude!
Hi, teens. Sugarfoot! Hi, teens.
Bible Dude!
I spy with my little eye one teen.
Hello, my name is James Bull Jr., and this is East Coast Weather and News. Today, we will discuss about a giant video game character arriving to Tampa Bay, Florida. The giant will arrive at any given moment by now. Oh my goodness! Is that the giant Sonic? And he is not to do harm to us? We have a report that he is not here to cause harm. However, the emergency alert system will transmit. Please stand by.
We interrupt your regular programming to bring you an emergency message. At approximately 2:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have received reports of a giant blue hedgehog arriving near Tampa, Florida. The hedgehog goes by the name of Sonic the Hedgehog, and he is slightly larger than Doak Campbell Stadium in length and width. He is reported to be about 200 feet tall and 90 feet wide, and weigh 4 tons, enough weight to instantly crush and flatten an object under him. He said that he is arriving in Tampa for peaceful reasons. He spoke to the people who lived in Tampa that he visited the city to entertain people with his size and weight before a USFFSU football game. At this time, remain calm and continue on with your normal day. However, if you need to travel, be careful with your surroundings at this point. Normal programming will now continue. Thank you for your cooperation during this time. This is the emergency alert system, signing off.